everyone. Welcome to ICCT Colleges, a leading educational institution in the Philippines. My name is Liza Marie Ito, the one assigned to be your guide for today. I'm really happy to tour you around and introduce you to the facilities, programs, and opportunities available here. ICCT Colleges is an institution for higher learning with a lot of branches in Rizal Province. It provides a wide selection of courses, such as art and sciences, business, computer studies, criminology, education, engineering, health sciences, hospitality and tourism management, and a senior high school. The school is officially recognized by the Commission on Higher Education, Technical Education and Skill Development Authority, and the Department of Education. Now, let's dive into the school facilities of ICCT colleges. First is main gate or entrance. ICCT colleges is one of the top educational institutions in Rizal, featuring a variety of programs for students. Next, reception or lobby. Being a pioneer in quality education, ICCT has undoubtedly made a great strides in academics and student developments. Next is classrooms. Superior technology in our classroom enhances the interactive learning experiences. Next is a computer and science labs. The IT and science students here are able to get hands-on experience with the most advanced facilities available. Fourth is our library. Apart from being a sanctuary of reading and learning, our library has over 1,000 books and a digital resources. Next is our gymnasium or sports facilities. Students take part in sport and physical fitness activities to encourage a healthy lifestyle. Next is our canteen or cafeteria. There are inexpensive and hygienic food choices for student and faculty available. Next is our registrar and advis offices. Support services for enrollment, scholarship, and student concerns are taken care of in this place of office work. Next is our school grounds or student lunch. Fresh student will reap the benefits of attending a presentation, lab fairs, and a student union's politics. That's all. That concludes our tour of ICCT colleges. I hope you find the campus tour interesting and had the chance to get to know our campus. If you have any question, just let me know. Thank you for the visit, and I hope to see you as part of our ICCT family soon.